How are you, friends? How are you? Welcome, everyone, because you have clicked at the right time and at the most precise moment to enjoy this new video. Thank you for being here. Well, friends, today we are going to remove the account from this device that I have here. Yes, we are going to do it. The version of iOS 17.6 Beta 3, because this is the only iOS with firmware or software that Apple still allows to be signed, and for which we can perform a downgrade, not a downgrade. A downgrade, sorry, is to lower to an older version. That is a downgrade, lowering an iOS version. So in version 17.6, Beta 3, Apple still accepts it, since there is now iOS 17.7 and iOS 18.0.1, which Apple is no longer accepting. For this, we will go to our computer. Well, in this case, my computer. And as you can see in 3U Tools, it shows that I have 17.6. No. So I downloaded it and installed it using this tool called 3U Tools. Okay. How did I make this possible? Well, I did it. First, through a page. This page is called ipsw.me, just as you are hearing it, ipsw.me, like a cow. So on this page, what I did was basically search for the firmware, since this page works just like IPSW. Well, on this page, you enter here, go to the iPhone section, and then search for your device model. As you can clearly see, here are the beta versions where tests are conducted. And as you can see, there are some that are indeed signed in iOS 18 and others that are not signed. But if you scroll down, you will see that in fact iOS 17.6, Beta 3, Apple is still signing on devices, so you can download the beta version from the page. Therefore, you have the opportunity to download it easily, and then through the 3U Tools program, and subsequently, by utilizing the 3U Tools program, you can conveniently install the firmware. You do this in a straightforward manner. In the smartwatch section, you will need to select local firmware carefully, and then proceed to click on the button labeled Import. And here, within the section labeled Import, you will look for where the version you downloaded from ipsw.me is located, and you click on the option labeled Open. Then you select Quick Flash Mode appropriately, and then proceed to click on the button labeled Flash. With this, by doing this, it effectively restores that device to iOS 17.6, Beta 3, and then you will use it with your preferred program, such as your favorite software application. In this case, I use MasterUnlocks, which is a software application available on both Mac and Windows. You install it in a straightforward manner. It's something easy and simple to do, not very complicated or difficult, without any hassle. So at this point in time, we are going to open the remote program. For that, I am going to close the Trinco Tools tool. I will close it, and now I will run the iRemove tool. I will right-click, run it as the administrator, and then I will say yes. Let's put this here. And one important thing is that, first of all, you need to have a very good quality USB cable. That's absolutely important. Yes, it's extremely important. It's definitely important that you have a computer, an Intel computer, with at least an Intel Core 3 processor. Your computer should be one of those. I certainly prefer to use this brand because it doesn't give us many problems when using this type of tool. Obviously, you need to have your iPhone connected to the internet. That's super, super, super important, without a doubt. And another important thing is that you have to check that your iPhone is not blacklisted, not reported. because if it is, it will be difficult for it to receive the signal from the charger you want to use in your country. So you need to check that it is not blacklisted. For that, I will leave the links to the comprehensive tutorial videos in the description below the video so you can learn how to do this check. These videos provide additional details and step-by-step guidance. All right, here in the iRemove Tools program, it will scan the device and tell you if it is compatible with the tool to verify if you can proceed with the account removal. If the response is positive, it will show up in the program that you need to go to the iRemove Tools website to purchase the removal. The removal is bought using a credit or debit card, which should be a card that works for online purchases. What you need to do is go to the iRemove Tools website and check the price for the device or the model of iPhone you have and load that credit or money onto the card. Additionally, further explanation on the iRemove Tools program and more information on the purchasing process can be found on their website. Remember, the card used should be valid for online transactions to be able to make the purchase, right? I recommend that you use a separate account, okay? Go to your preferred bank and open a new account and explain to the staff that you need it for making online purchases, okay? And they already know what type of card they will give you to be able to make those kinds of transactions. Well, then you add the balance, and if possible, you add a little more balance just in case, right? So, as a precaution, you can do that. And to make the purchase, you will enter the serial number or the email, the serial number or the email of the device. On the iRemove page, you will enter your email address so that you receive the notification that your device has been registered and you can proceed to use the tool on the device to remove the account. So, having explained that, I will now click the Start button. At this moment, the tool will proceed to do its work. In the meantime, I will ask you to subscribe to my channel and activate the bell so that YouTube notifies you every time I upload a new video so you don't miss any tutorials from this lovely, beautiful, and precious channel, right? If you want to be part of the community, below are the Telegram and WhatsApp links so you can join this community. Please leave your questions, inquiries, and comments in the comment section below the video, and I will gladly respond. Now, the tool continues to do its job. It tells me that it is in process and not to disconnect my device, so we will keep waiting for the tool to do its work. Now it tells me that my device is ready. Let's verify that what the tool indicated is indeed true. We will check this to see if it is correct. Let's wait for the iPhone to start. We need to wait. Perfect. It's done. We disconnect the USB cable. Now, let's connect to the internet. Ready? Let's check. It asks for the account. No, it doesn't ask for the account. There it is. Let's check the iOS version, the software version. And as you can see, there it is, 17.6. I am using the beta 16.6. I am using beta 3. And as you can clearly see, here it is. Now, at this moment, I am going to do the test by turning off the device to thoroughly confirm that the account has indeed been removed. In the meantime, while waiting, I will prepare the SIM card to put it in the device. It's a bit uncomfortable for me personally because I am using only one hand. Perfectly. Let's place it in the device's tray. There it is, right there. We will put it in now. Let's turn on the device now and wait patiently for it to start. Let's see if what we were doing previously worked. Okay. Now we check once again to see if it connects to Wi-Fi perfectly. It doesn't ask for the account here at all. Let's turn off YouTube, turn off Wi-Fi, and done. As you can clearly see, I already have a signal now. Yes, perfectly, I have a signal indeed. I will test if the internet works properly. Let's browse a bit. Perfectly. Let's try another page now. Perfectly. Let's make a call now. Correctly. It worked perfectly. So, as you can clearly see, the tools continue to work effectively if you downgrade to the beta version of iOS 16.3. Sorry. iOS 17.6 beta 3 is working correctly. So, as you saw, it was something easy and simple to do. This has been all for today, guys. See you. Take care. Until next time. Bye.